Let's begin with the number of arbitrators. Who decides on this number? What is the appropriate number, if any? And what should the parties consider? Article 10 of the Model Law allows the parties to agree on any number of arbitrator, but provides the default number of 3 in the absence of parties' agreement. Article 7, paragraph 1 of ancestral rules have the same default number, but subject to a time limit, plus the condition that the parties have not agreed on one arbitrator. Article 7, paragraph 2 further provides for the default appointment of a sole arbitrator by the appointing authority in certain circumstances.
After having understood what is an award, let's see what are different types of awards. The main types of awards are final, interim, partial, default, and award on agreed terms. All awards are final and binding, subject to any available challenges. However, the term final award is customarily reserved for an award that completes the mission of the arbitral tribunal. Subject to certain exceptions, the delivery of a final award renders the arbitral tribunal functus officio, that is, it ceases to have any further jurisdiction in respect of the dispute and the special relationship that exists between the arbitral tribunal and the parties during the currency of the arbitration ends. In that sense, final awards are distinguished from interim, interlocutory, or partial awards, none of which puts an end to the arbitrator's brief.
Process design is important in any mediation, but it is vital in a virtual mediation. One very important point to discuss with the parties at the outset is how long each mediation segment should be. Face-to-face mediations often last from morning until night, but that is not realistic in front of a screen. It's true that mediations build up momentum as they go along, and that might be lost if broken up into segments. But you also want the parties engaged and not distracted by other matters at home. Breaking the mediation up into 3 to 4 hour daily sessions will ensure that participants are alert and engaged. It also allows parties to reflect on what has gone on, which often helps bring about movement.